We were young, the road looked wide. Every sunrise stood on our side. We chased tomorrow without a fear, never thinking the end was near. We counted birthdays, not the cost. Never noticed the things we lost. Every answer seemed so clear, until the silence drew us near. Who decides where dreams must end? Why do strangers become friends? Why does love sometimes let go, leaving only echoes we know? Who are we beneath our names, beyond our victories and our shame? When the applause has disappeared, what remains after all these years? If today became our final page, would we bless our passing age, or whisper softly with regret, I forgot the life I never lived? Some wear crowns that hide their scars. Some chase money farther than stars. Some grow old but never grow wise, still believing comfortable lies. Children ask what adults hide, questions buried deep inside. What is wealth if hearts stay poor? What is peace if there's still war? Will tomorrow remember my name? Did I kindle somebody's flame? Was I kind when no one could see? Did I help someone become free? When my hands can build no more, when I stand at heaven's door, will my story simply be a life well spent, or just a dream? Guitar plays unaffected solo over sustained strings. Bass and drums remain restrained. The melody rises and gently falls into near silence before the final chorus of floor. Who are we beneath our names, beyond our triumphs and our pain? When every season has been told, what is worth more than silver or gold? If love is all that truly stays, then let it fill our numbered days before the curtain slowly falls. May we answer life's great calls, not with riches, not with fame, not with monuments to our name, but hearts we've healed, hands we've held, truth we've spoken, hope we've sown. For in the end, when all is gone, love is the only song that still lives on. So while the morning still appears and hope outlives our deepest fears, let's ask the questions, face the light, and spend our days learning how to live before good night.